Well, there you go, folks. That's how I tear down an LD100 engine. You'll notice in the video, when I knock out these shafts, and anytime I hit the crank or do anything like that, I'm using a lead hammer. Now that's critical difference than a regular hammer, because if you use one of these to knock these things apart, you will destroy the threads on the end, or bend stuff, or damage the crank itself. You never hit this side even with a lead hammer, but this side, this one you can smack it a little bit, but you can't get it very hard. The idea is this hammer will deform and it doesn't harm the threads. You just have to, remold the hammer every once in a while. That's a critical difference. Don't try doing this if you don't have one. Use a press. Otherwise you'll damage stuff. Anyway, there we go. That's an LD100. I'll probably edit this onto the end of it and we'll see how it looks.